guys, guess what? We got a special day today. We got 2 unboxings to do. My wife got her first car today. All right, baby.
Yep.
So tell her what kind of car you got.
Nope, I don't know all that yet.
This is the Arrma Outcast 6S BLX. All right. And guess what I got? Arrma Kraton 6S. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little unboxing.
It's gonna take me a little bit to get a little hype like that now.
We're gonna do a little unboxing. Let's go.
I would dance, but I don't have rhythm.
Me neither. So guess what? We're gonna do an unboxing this quick. We're gonna pull them out of these boxes and get to playing with them.
Nobody's talking to you.
All right, baby. Let's show them what we got.
Yeah.
All we have to do is voila. Well, first of all, she has the orange one, and I have the camouflage one. Just to let y'all know. So check us out.
They'll know that once we open the box. And
yeah, but it don't matter.
I'm saying they'll know the color.
Yeah, but we want to tell them. Look. Throw that. There we go, baby. That's how you do it. All right.
So, you didn't tell me we had to put stuff together.
I don't know if we have to. What you got?
I have some pieces.
What? All right, baby, got some tools. Look pretty good.
We're not.
Oh, we're not gonna.
Those tools.
We're not gonna destroy yours.
No, I said those tools. We're gonna use the good tools.
Oh, okay. Anyways, you got your manual and your tools. We ain't finna use them. I'm gonna tell you now. We finna crank.
Maybe these are extra pieces.
Oh, we got an extra gear.
Like gears. Which I know how to do.
Yeah. She changed all of my gears just to let y'all know.
And some tools that we
Look
could
pretty good
use.
though. Let me see that.
That's mine.
Yeah, this looks pretty good.
So this is mine so that I can learn to work on my own instead of working on his all the time.
Yeah. And these right here, baby.
And
These are XD90. We'll see what
is it
kind.
extra? Most of this is probably extra
It's
stuff.
probably extra, yeah.
Yeah, guys.
Hey, baby. How you doing? Where you come from?
He brought his chair over here and everything.
All right.
I'm a cheetah.
You're a cheetah. All right.
I'm talking cheetah.
All
I
right.
will help you.
You gonna help us? All right. Thank you, son.
Yeah,
You're such a great man, you know?
I can help you.
You gonna help us?
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Cheetah.
Cheetah, okay. Okay, Cheetah. Well,
I'm talking here.
So what color is mommy's car?
Orange,
Okay, and what color is mine?
black, and green.
Got it. All right. So you want to put them out, babe?
look, your shirt matches
Hey,
Daddy's
look,
car.
we got the same tool here. What's going on here? Y'all gave us the
We're gonna
same
put that over
shit?
there. We'll
Okay.
put that over there.
All right, let me put mine
We're
over
not
here.
doing a professional unboxing, just so y'all know. This is a quick, sun's going down, and we want to play.
I don't know about her, but mine's professional.
Well,
Look,
I want to play.
look what I got.
Well, I don't have all that, so bye.
You do have this.
know
This
what?
is your TQI remote. Oh no, we got tactic remote. Tactic remote. Tactic remote. All right.
Where's
Throw this. Ugh. That's all you gotta do, baby. Just throw it, baby. There you go. Sit
All
this
right.
down.
now?
They would put mine in the box like this. Oh, yeah.
Ow! Ow!
Mine was in a box like that too. You just don't know how to get it out.
Ow!
That's facts. But guess what? We got this monster over here, right, son? All right, you helping me? Whoa, look at that. Look at that car. It's a beast, right?
I need a knife or some scissors.
You need a knife? All right, let's put this one on.
I guess
Slow
we're gonna
down.
I'm helping you guys.
You are helping. You are a big helper. You gonna drive mommy's car?
Yeah.
Okay.
6.5 hours later. 2,000 years later.
Drive mommy's
There you go,
car.
baby.
Drive mommy's
So guess what we
car.
have? We're running one 6S Gen 8 battery, 5,500 milliamp.
I don't even.
Got one for me and one for my baby. And we got the same remote. Don't be trying this week.
No, yeah.
Don't be trying
Back
to mix us
up.
up, girl.
Hold on.
So how many batteries do we need?
What?
How many batteries we need in our
We
remote?
don't read the instructions.
We don't
just
have to.
gonna open
Look
it.
at it.
We're gonna open it up.
That means we're 5 and
Girls.
8.
6.5 hours later. 2,000 years later.
I got it.
9.
I need 4 AA.
Need 4 AA?
And he needs 4 AA. And I'm probably not talking very loud, and I just realized that.
All right, babe. We got some batteries.
I'll drive that.
There we go.
I'm gonna need 2 of those for the remote control in the room.
These batteries are not for your remote control in the room. I'm gonna tell you now. You better go to the dollar store.
They're for whatever I want.
She ain't getting none of these.
Drive your car.
Okay, you can drive mine.
How long you been asking that
What?
on the video? Because I don't want to edit this video and you on here talking about, can I ride your car? For about 30 minutes. We ain't heard him not one time. All right, baby, your truck is looking very good. So let's check out that body you have, babe.
Oh, I was born with it. Except, I've had 2 children. Oh, this one?
That one, not the other one. Oh, look at my baby. Try to get it.
There
You trying to find your new husband? Or something?
No.
What you trying to get, girl?
My car going so I can play.
All right.
But it just seems more, I don't know,
Oh, wow. Look at that.
softer and
That's the engine. That's the engine. That's the engine.
I like this body and all, but I am gonna get one that I can paint myself. Set that over there for a minute. Okay, so here goes.
I'll take it engine.
Mine.
Oh, you have
Very
an
pretty.
engine too,
Why do they look
Daddy.
exactly alike?
You have an engine too.
Them things look just alike.
They look
y'all.
exactly alike.
You have an engine.
But
And
look,
you too,
I have a smaller chassis than
Daddy.
you. Your chassis is wide. And, oh, we both have it. We have covers right here to block the dirt from coming in our vehicle.
They're waterproof.
So what you like about it?
It's just, oh, I like everything about it. But what I was saying was the feeling of it, like when I'm on the body, it just feels different than.
Take the body off again. You see
Okay.
how it looks underneath?
Okay.
I'm gonna take mine.
And these, I like these. They're like,
The latches so it's easy to pull off.
yeah, and they're like, I don't know. It's just different. It's just a different feel. Yeah,
I like those wheels.
I do too. I like how I'm sorry, but I like mine better. Well, I don't know. I like both of them, but I do really like how that looks.
Check those wheels out, guys.
I
like that. Look at that.
Daddy.
6S power. That looks cool.
And we pretty much both have a lot of the exact same stuff. So do you think it's a lot of the same parts, like,
We just have
I mean, like
Let's
all
see.
this, like the ESC and all that, you think it's the same?
same motor, same ESC.
Right, so we can get a lot of the parts, you know.
Yeah, both of them gonna be the
Flip-flop.
same parts. Yep.
Yeah.
Let's check yours out. Let me get over here. Comparison. Oh, you have a wheelie bar and I don't. Oh, Mama got her a nice one.
Yeah, you'll be ordering one tonight.
I don't know, maybe. All right.
Well, that's good because you know I can't do a wheelie without it flipping. But that's the cool thing about mine. Doesn't it do like a standing, like a flip from?
Yep.
It can do a.
Does a backflip. So you know what? You are gonna have to be careful with that throttle.
Be careful.
Yep, because as soon as you hit the throttle, it's going on as two back.
I will learn.
Tires.
I will learn. That's what it's made for, though. That's what this one is for. It's for speed and for tricks.
All right, let's go.
I could do backflips. My car could do backflips. I mean, you know.
Cool. I love this body too.
Easy.
Get that body out of it.
Claws.
Give that body a good look over. Look at that body, guys. Look at that. I can put some speakers back there, y'all.
I'm not doing that to mine.
I am.
You bought it. You break it. You buy another one.
Go ahead. So where you want to go? To the stunt? We will be doing this at dark.
I know. But we can do it tomorrow.
Come on. Uh-oh, Mama already ready. Let's line up.
You know, it takes me a minute to get.
Ready, set, go.
Oh my God.
Hey.
Okay.
Oh, I was gonna say mine ain't doing nothing.
I almost feel better having it in the dirt rather than getting it scratched up. Another car. Stay right there, Teddy. Oh. Right.
Guess you had to get warmed up, huh, baby? You trying to hit me? Whoa. Oh. Steady. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, a little better this way. Cars. We can go. Let's go to the dirt. Let's go to the dirt. Come on.
You don't want to get your dirty.
Let's go.
That's fine.
Let's go. Let's go.
regroup. So I thought that this was recording the whole time, but I just want to say this. Thank you, Tay. I love my car, and we'll start over tomorrow and have a better day. But I really appreciate you getting me my own car, and I love it, and I cannot wait to work on it and break it, to work on it, and break it more, to work on it more. I'm sorry today was a bust,
Sliding. Whoa.
but I love you.